Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one, we're talking about how to contribute reviews and photos to Google Maps local guides. So let's access your guide dashboard firstly. So open the Google Maps app on your smartphone, for example, or desktop. If you're on mobile, you can log down at the bottom navigation dock and tap on the Contribute tab. On desktop, you can just type in Maps Contribute and go to Local Guides, press on this button, and you'll be taken here. And in here, guys, as you can see, this is your contribution dashboard. In here, you can, for example, type reviews in, right? So choose a certain location. You can type in reviews. Of course, it probably just makes you have, reviews for the current location, right? So, for example, where you live, it kind of, I guess, analyzes your location, and you're supposed to post the new reviews there. But anyway, I digress. And also, you can choose Photos tab right here, right? And then you can add your photos to Google Maps, and this is also going to be counted as a contribution. So for example, this is what it looks like on the phone, right? There's your profile, and then we have contribution. It says contribute. You go in here, and then you can contribute to reviewing something, putting some stars onto some place, something like that, right? And then, of course, your profile will grow in levels, and you'll get more experience and points. And yeah, the more of these you do, and the more you grow your actual profile. So just write reviews, add photos, and perform edits. And then, yeah, you'll be growing your profile in no time. Also answers as well, as you can see. So that's it, guys. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit that beautiful subscribe button, and see you soon.